Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we see our program for able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our CBS journalist, so that they call Ben Jacobs, don't come outside and let us know say Yuri Tillemans and Mudryk, they don't set their hearts on Arsenal, especially that Mudryk. So the guy don't put in hats on Arsenal, say no be Newcastle, now be the favorite to sell because many reports talk say Newcastle they prepare offer, they won't go sign Mudryk, say they highly interested. You say many people carry that guy for mind, they won't sign him. So but Baba don't come and say they lay the foundation, because they clear everybody down to let us know say now Arsenal be the front runners for that guy. So in fact, Arsenal never even placed any bid as it did now. So the guy just carry Arsenal for head. He won't make Arsenal for sign him. It's an open secret. Everybody knows say he gets soft spots for Arsenal. So those who they talk saying and Newcastle the reason the guys they just kill off that idea. So Newcastle no they anywhere close except maybe Arsenal at the end of the day gone chicken out, say okay the guy is too expensive, because we all know Newcastle are the richest club in the world. So anyway they go I go let you know. Then away from that, so Newcastle also they prepare offer for Borussia Mönchengladbach striker Marcus Thuram, and Arsenal said the reason the guys they won't use him as a replacement, or not just a replacement, or as a cover for somebody like Gabriel Jesus. I know say Aubameyang said we never replace Aubameyang truly, because before we get Aubameyang, we get Lacazette, so we get Edin Ketia. Now we just have a Gabriel Jesus and an Edin Ketia. We don't get somebody in between. So we still need one more striker. So now that short one we'll get will be the look Marcus Thuram. But now they say Newcastle self they look the guy, because Newcastle self won't try to sustain their own Champions League ambition, because they never go European football for a very long time. So they look say last if they don't feel that Champions League, maybe they even fall to maybe Europa League. That's their own plan, and they know say they need to buy more players to ensure say the second half of the season, say they will sustain that their challenge. The same thing now go make us one sign players and make us sustain our own title contention. Then at the end of the day, if we know if we carry the title, we will still be within the top 4 places. These are the front burner questions. These are the things where everybody they look at say, okay, who Arsenal go sign, who Newcastle go sign, and not only our two. Everybody do for the league, like all those kind of Man City, all those kind of Tottenham Hotspur, Man U. Everybody go still look to get 1 or 2 pocket of additions for this January transfer window. Let's just see how things go. The Sun said, come aside, they let us know say Arsenal they turn their attention to Argentinian star Leandro Paredes. This guy they play for Juventus. People they think say maybe na PSG they play, now but Juve they play. The problem is say the guy has surplus to requirements. Now that Juventus coach Massimiliano Allegri, that guy don't know how to bring out the best in all these players. Even Vlahovic self not really fire on all cylinders. They are not really doing that well, because they know they fight for titles. Now Napoli they lead the pack. Napoli they try to win the Scudetto this season. Napoli, Inter Milan, AC Milan, those 3, and then carry Scudetto for head. Juve don't shot. So anyhow the people that the guy will come join us, I never really know whether I know will join, because we just did linked to different players from different leagues. Now at the end of the day we will know who will sign last. Arsenal said they plan to resign former midfielder Ishmael Benassa for £55 million. Now some kind of monitoring spirit now come outside they drop all this, and this news don't they make the rounds for the media space, and it is surprising because it talks say Arsenal won't offer £20 million with Thomas Partey carry and give AC Milan to collect that Ishmael Benassa. This guy was very instrumental to AC Milan winning the league last season. You get now defensive midfielder MB don't play for Arsenal before. So but me personally, I don't think say Arsenal will go ahead with this deal, like offering Thomas Partey and money to collect somebody else. Thomas Partey will be like a rock of Gibraltar for our midfield, unless maybe they feel say Thomas Partey injury record if he can't disturb us in the future, and we know what that kind of, so just want to change them once and for all, because nobody say Thomas Partey don't hold like that. If you know they injured, they can still give us good 2-3 years for the middle of the pack there. So I don't know how this one won't go. Instead of carrying Thomas Partey to add money to go give them to collect that guy, why not keep Thomas Partey, go boss money there, because AC Milan is requesting at least 60 million euros. Now they go fit collect, but they look so okay, player and money, but then give us Ishmael Benassa. Anyhow they go, I will let you know. But what do I think about this deal? And I even think say they get any possibility say this deal will happen, because personally for me, I don't see this deal happening. Charles Watt sef don come outside and let us know say Shakhtar Donetsk may sell Mudryk because the guy really wan leave. He don let everybody know. Everybody dey say in body language. They know say he really wan leave for this summer. You get either January or at the end of summer, but he would have preferred to move by January because you know say you get how you go overstay your welcome or somewhere, body go come dey irritate you, come dey feel like say, oh, I want to leave now. So na the way they do Mudryk now, you get. But the coach there, Jovicevic, they feel say no, I don't want to sell you. Stay here, you're a small boy. Stay here and develop. Help me win the Ukraine title and the cup. Why they do like this now? If you come out now, everywhere go scatter for here. But the guy they look say, oh, it is time for me to go and look for greener pastures elsewhere. You get senior men define me. Make I go join them. So I never know how will this battle of words and battle of wills will happen now by January. But everybody know that the player wants to move. Arsenal wants him, then the club wants to sell, but their price they can't go up. Naturally, they don't want to sell, but if then they forced to sell, they don't carry the price up. So now Arsenal everything hang good day. Our Charlie Watt sef don come outside again come dey talk say Arsenal no go offer Nelson new contract anytime soon, like January, like people dey talk say Arsenal go sign, give the guy contract. Say no, and the reason be say Arsenal wan buy more wingers, and when they buy more senior men, imagine them buy a Cody Gakpo or Yeremi Pino or maybe buy Mudryk where Nelson go play. So they look all those things. They don't want to keep on an unhappy player in that side. Even though some earlier reports don't come outside dey talk say Arsenal get plan to offer this guy a new contract, but you know Charles Watt say him na Arsenal correspondent. He writes about Arsenal, he works for goal.com, and is an independent journalist. So this guy, as I see him like this now, waiting they let us know say it will be true. Because Arsenal gonna look and say you have not really proven to us that you can do what you are doing consistently, and say the guy if he dribble player 1v1 he can score goals, but the problem with Arsenal get with him is say consistency. Can you do this on a consistent basis? So instead of keeping you on the Benjamin, why not we just let you go? They will sign Yeremi Pino so that there will be space, or Cody Gakpo or Pedro or Neto, many players they will be saying the first time Mudryk get, and we are linked rather with many other players. So whether Arsenal will change their mind in the future, I don't really know. But for now, that's why they let us know say Arsenal don't get any plans to sign new contract or give this guy contract extension anytime soon. But more just the watch. You can't say never. Our Michael Bridge, the Sky Sports reporter, don't come outside and let us know say Edu Gaspar and Arteta would like to sign 2 players for January. Say the things when they hear from the Emirates Stadium through his sources. Now the fact say the relationship between Edu Gaspar and the sporting Edu Gaspar and the manager, Edu Gaspar and the sporting director and the manager Mikel Arteta, they very close. And the chief executive Vinay Venkasham and also head of football operations will be Richard Garlick. So all of them they in sync. They look say how do we improve this already good team, this team where they play very well, so they don't identify some soft targets like 2 players in 2 different positions where they would like to sign. I'm about to let us know say maybe go be like winger or a defensive midfielder, but we all know say no be 2 players we need to get. But even if we don't get everybody we need, at least if 2 addition, now see something, now see squad depth, it still makes sense. It dey okay. Now January now, what they see. Before one report come outside talk to them, give Arteta whether now £50 million, I'll be 55. Say now go take buy now around the year 2 players, and we know say the Kroenkes they get deep pockets and they don't look say this guy in first position no could help and pump more money. If he no carry first, at least he go land for second or he go land for third. Last, what we define from the beginning, ab initio, now be the Champions League slots. What they say since they go. Our Rhys Nelson said don't come outside when they talk about Arsenal title challenge, where they come they ask him for the media set and say as Arsenal players, sure now they think about the title. Like most of the fans now they think about the title, they talk about title, Arsenal legends they talk and now we be saying now they inside the house. How now they see everything? My back talk say them know the reason the title at all. You get just like say they forbidden like forbidden topic. Say after every match, because I said that go carry them go for drawing board. When they show them the next match, get say that they play everything with game to game basis. Get after one game, now the next game, nobody they even look table. So once in a while, they feel look the table, happy for where they see what they happen for the headlines, for newspaper, for the media. They'll just be proud of themselves. But nobody they reason say title because they know say the title is not yet won. Like they never even reach halfway. So it is still long. Imagine what happened last season now. There'll be like 2 games to go, every 3 games to go, we capitulate, we lose our top 4 position. So all those things they fresh in the minds of the players. So now They're not thinking about all those things. All they're focusing, we play one game, whatever happens, let's move to the next game. How are we going to win that game? That's the only thing for their mind. How they are going to develop and get better and win the next game and prepare for the next game. It's not all the things they think about. And I think that they structure them that way. Jobless, I think that don't program them that way. Make them not lose focus. You get, we never really achieve anything. And just 14 games, we are first, 5 points. Man City, so we've not really done a lot. Just keep calm, be humble, and face the next match. Our Yunus Musa, where they play for USA, we don't do for Arsenal Hill End Academy, don't pay tributes to that special Hill End Academy. That's like one of the best academy in world football. Where they bring out that academy, now bring Emil Smith Rowe, now bring Bukayo Saka, and they're thriving. They're playing very, very well for this season and the seasons in the past. Again. So back when they give tribute, you can't even change shirts with Bukayo Saka. That time when England play against USA. So two of them are academy graduates. You could remember say yesterday Freddie Lumberg praised two of them, say they were his proteges. Now he first trained them for that academy, bring them up before those guys like Saka come now they in charge of the new recruits. So the guys just they proud, say maybe one day he go come back to Arsenal. But now in the Valencia, and he come up for Arsenal when he was 16. He was in Arsenal Hill End Academy for 7 good years. And then play with all those Bukayo Saka and the rest of them. So now he enjoy football for Valencia first team, and at the same time he's playing with USA in the World Cup. So that's what it is. So what are the sad things they go. About today at the birthday of one of our community member, Freshly Shaka Billions. You get, so Baba, happy birthday. I will say may Almighty God bless you and wish you all the good things life has to offer. So today's your birthday. Enjoy your day, people. Our France win their match yesterday. So France played the World Cup against Denmark and France win 2-1. Mbappe scored 2 goals. But one thing we say for that match, Saliba no even play at all. Saliba never played since the start. Now we can realize Saliba now the 4th choice centre back of this French team. You get, and I would say they pay me with that. They pay me and you know pay me in one way, because when I look at their setup, Raphael Varane don't come back. Varane can start. Varane play with Dayot Upamecano. After those two, they can't get Ibrahim Kanouté. After Ibrahim Konate, where they play for Liverpool. After that one, people can't get William Saliba. You get. So before the guy go play, my data to go build. Maybe this 3rd match, I believe say they go put some kind of fringe player because they are playing against a Tunisian side and they don't need 6 points already. So they just, I don't see they will add some kind of fringe player, because I won't see what's the worst that can happen. So I don't think say Denmark will beat their other opponents. Get. So more just see how things they go. But in another way around, as the guy no play, it is sweet me one kind because the guy an Arsenal player and I don't want you saying get injury. At least he go World Cup, man go see wetin dey sup, you get. So he no get injury. That be my own prayer. So me just go come back. At the end of the day, maybe they go win the competition, no, but they no go win am. But I know say he go still play one way or the other. Even if na 80 minutes, then bring am in. May come join the field of play, main play. So that's what I'm saying. So my dear football lovers, if you dey watch our show and you never subscribe, either you're watching on YouTube and you never subscribe, what you dey wait for now? Why they do us like this now? Should we dey enjoy our show? Subscribe now. Then if you're watching on Facebook, make you follow us. You can't be watching us every day and you're not following our community. You don't want to join us, need subscribe, make you follow us, and as you do so, may God bless you. So if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. That game out. Happy Sunday.